Ever feel like your desk turns into a mess of different keyboards, cables, and constant reconnecting just to switch between your laptop, tablet, and PC? You start working on your Windows laptop, then jump to your iPad, and suddenly you're dealing with Bluetooth pairing issues, lag, or digging around for the right cable again. Over time, it doesn't just slow you down, it breaks your focus and kills your flow. That kind of friction might seem small, but when you're gaming, typing, or working for hours, it adds up fast and becomes seriously frustrating. That's where the AULA F99 gaming mechanical keyboard comes in as a practical all-in-one solution. It's designed with tri-mode connectivity, letting you switch seamlessly between USB wired, 2.4G wireless, and Bluetooth 5.0. You can move between multiple devices instantly without repairing every time. The hot swap mechanical switches let you change key feel easily, while the linear gray wood and Nimbus V3 switches deliver smooth, responsive typing with up to 60 million keystroke durability. The compact 98-key layout with UK format gives you full functionality without taking over your desk, and the multicolor backlight helps you stay comfortable in any lighting. Plus, the built-in battery with a clear indicator light keeps you aware of power at all times. Imagine sitting down, switching from editing on your laptop to replying on your tablet, then jumping into a game on your PC, all without touching a single cable. If you're ready to simplify your setup and make your workflow feel effortless, this might be exactly what you've been missing. Check the link in the description before it's gone.